Hello everyone, I'm Advocate Dhruv Gupta from Team Insights Bharat and I'm here today to cordially invite you all for upcoming webinar of Insights Bharat on the subject right to legal aid during COVID-19 pandemic and judicial process in India. We are honored to announce esteemed speaker of our webinar, Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir, to discuss and highlight various provisions of legal aid laws and factual realities that goes around in our judicial system. Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir is professor at Law School of Banaras Hindu University, which happens to be one of the most prestigious university in the world. Sir is also executive director of Legal Aid and Service Clinic and Clinical Legal Education Program. With the contribution of the esteemed faculty and professors like Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir, the role of Law School of Banaras Hindu University has been significant in providing maximum judges, officers, advocates, etc. to our country. And it is our honor to have Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir as speaker of our webinar who has made notable contribution in the glory of Banaras Hindu University. Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir has studied BA LLM and is also a PhD holder with specialization in constitutional and administrative law. Sir completed his BA and LLB from Allahabad University and pursued LLM from prestigious Banaras Hindu University, where he was first rank holder in his batch 1901 to 93. Having specialization in constitutional and administrative law, he completed his PhD in the year 2008 on the theme Environment Justice in Bhopal Disaster Litigation. Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir has special interest in public advocacy and social service. His achievements are meaningful, which cannot be narrated in few minutes. Sir has 24 years of experience in teaching and research and has published many articles, presented papers in about 50 national and international conferences, seminars, and workshops. Sir is also member of many reputed social service organizations, including the Art of Living, Mahamanna Malviya Mission, Vivekanand Kendra Kanyakumari. Sir was also an active member of a group that received a fund of about 35 lakhs from the World Bank through the National Law School of India University, Bengaluru, to execute the environmental capacity project, building project. Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir has special interest in subjects like jurisprudence, constitutional law, environmental law, judicial process law, legal aid, and social justice law. Since the academic session of 2012 and 13, Sir is acting as the Executive Director of Legal Aid Clinic and Clinical Legal Education Program at Faculty of Law, Banaras Hindu University. Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir is a role model for all those who wants to make a remark in their life by contributing through social service, and he is one of the best person to speak on the topic right to legal aid during COVID-19 pandemic and judicial process in India. To join our interesting, informative and insightful session with Dr. Shailendra Kumar Gupta sir, brought to you by Insights Bharat for understanding various provisions of legal aid laws and challenges involved, remedies available, various ways to obtain legal aid during COVID-19 pandemic and even otherwise in India, factual realities of Indian judicial system, etc. We urge our viewers to keep your calendar marked for today at sharp 6 p.m. Webinar will be live on YouTube. Link for the webinar is given below in description. If anyone has any queries surrounding the subject of our today's webinar, they can post their queries below in this comment section and we would surely try to address and answer the same in our webinar. For regular updates of our upcoming webinar, you may subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media accounts. The links for the today's webinar as well as our social media handles are given below in description. See you all at 6 p.m. sharp. Till then, stay tuned. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.